Hi my loves, it's Life of Frida and I'm back again with another video. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Frida and I talk about all things lifestyle, all things skincare, product reviews and so much more. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel because you will learn a lot of things. And if you're my OG, my real MVP, my subscriber, you know how we get it done here. Thank you so much for your love, your consistency to this channel. I love you so much. Thank you for being such a good subscriber. May God bless you. Please stick around for this video because you would learn a lot. So, hi my love. Today we'll be talking about this beautiful and amazing topic. If you are just seeing me for the first time, this is my smart pad where I write down beautiful and an amazing topics for you guys and my research that I have carried out on here. Alright, so today we'll be talking about how to use just a bar soap and a body wash for your skincare routine. You don't need a lotion to lighten. You heard me right. Now stick around. Let me teach you a thing or two. Yeah, so guys, do you know that body washes, bar soaps play a huge role in your skincare? Like those products that we use to wash our skin, they play a very big role in our skincare journey, in our journey to getting a flawless skin and all of that. Anyways, so to get 2 to 3 shades, 1 to 2 to 3 shades. Calm down. 1 to 2 to 3 shades. Calm down. 1 to 2 to 3 shades. You heard me right. Complexion. It is achievable using a body wash or a bar soap. You just have to be consistent and you just have to exfoliate. Now let us say that you exfoliate your skin well, like your exfoliation game is on par. Exactly. So let's leave that there. Make sure you exfoliate though. But now you exfoliate. So now let me tell you the cocoa on how to use a bar soap and body wash in a routine so that you can brighten and lighten your skin. First of all, you have to get for the first step. Now let's talk about using a brightening, lightening or whitening body wash first, combining it with a bar soap. Then I would talk about when you use a lightening, brightening or whitening bar soap, combining it with a body wash. So for the first segment, we're talking about using a whitening body wash. So you could get body wash like, the Cyprus Gold Shower Gel. You could get this. You could get the Glutathione Comprime Shower Gel. You could get this. You could also get K Brother Shower Gel. You could get this. This is just a huge list because there are a lot of them in the market. I just said to list three just so that you know what you're looking for. Like products that you're looking for. Do you understand the type of products that you should get? I'm not saying that you should get either of these things, but if you decide to get them, good job, best choice. Do you understand? Yes. Then you combine it with a moisturizing, hydrating bar soap. I would recommend that you use the Dove bar, possibly the exfoliation bar, the creamy bar, or even this pink one. This pink one is nice. Either of these Dove bar soaps are nice. Just combine this Dove bar soap with these shower gels, these three shower gels that I've listed to you, and you will thank me later. Now, how should you combine it in your routine? There are two methods that I'll be listing out. So you could either do them with this or this. But first of all, before I list those methods, I'll also talk about other bar soaps that you can use for brightening. Now to brightening or whitening or lightening bar soaps, you could use either the nano bar soap. Yes, the nano bar soap or the nano vitamin C bar soap, or you use the skin white bar soap. Skin white bar soap is a good whitening bar soap. Nano skin white, or you use the kojic white bar soap. Either of these bar soaps work perfectly for brightening, for whitening, for lightening. Then you combine it with either of the Dove moisturizing, hydrating shower gels. Do you understand? Now we're combining bar soap, a whitening bar soap, and a moisturizing shower gel. You combine it with either of these Dove shower gels, and you will thank me later. Now let us move to the methods on how to use them for best results. There are two methods that I'll be listening out. The first method is called the lathering method. The lathering method is simple. It just means that you go into your bathroom, you pour water on your body, on your well exfoliated skin. Maybe you've exfoliated the night before or in the morning and you want to do this routine at night. You just pour water on your body. You take, now for the shower gel part, you take your whitening shower gel and apply it on your body. Just lather it up, apply it like you're rubbing cream in circular motion. Apply it everywhere your body. This is for the neck downwards of your body. Yes, you apply it everywhere. Make sure that you lather it up. You know it to be foaming. This method is done with your hands. You're not using a sponge or anything. You just apply it on your body very well. Continue to massage it in, continue to massage it in. If you have a dry skin or a sensitive skin, use this method. But if you have an oily or normal skin, you could use this method, or you could use the second method. So stick around for the second method also. So use this method, just apply it round your body, massage it at least for 3 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. From 3 to 5 minutes. Spend your time massaging. You can put a song, maybe a song that is 5 minutes long or a song that is 3 minutes long. Once you apply it on your body, once you just know sure that is around your body already, you play the song. Let the song just be playing, then you continue rubbing it and massaging it in. Once the song is over, your 3 minute song is over, so that you don't get bored in the between. Because imagine you just be applying, it doesn't make any sense. So if you can just apply it on your body, play music that you use to time yourself, okay, or you set a clock. You can use it to think of whatever you want to do in that time. It's really your business. Just leave it for 3 to 5 minutes on your body, but don't leave it, or don't just stand though. Use your hand and just be, massaging it in. For sensitive to dry skin, you can do this method. Normal or combination skin or oily skin, you can also do this method. It doesn't matter, but for more effectiveness, you could do the second method. Okay, so after that, you wash it off well. You wash it off, then you take your bar soap, your moisturizing bar soap. Now that is in either of the Dove bar soap or any other bar soap that is just mild and good and moisturizing. I'm using Dove because I really love Dove products. They did a thing when it comes to their soap. So you take it, you use your sponge. Now you can use your sponge for this method and just bathe. Use it and bathe. Just use it and bathe very well, and it will work perfectly. Just use it to bathe with your sponge. Just bathe like you normally bathe, and that is it, guys. That is that for the lathering method. So if for still on the lathering method, if you're now using a bar soap, a whitening bar soap, you use it to bathe. You use it to rub on your skin. Like, take the soap round, just use your hands. This lathering method is about your hands. That is it. The lightening products, the whitening products are to be massaged into your skin with your hands for 3 to 5 minutes. You massage it with your hands very well into your skin perfectly. Okay, massage it with your hands 3 to 5 minutes. Either the shower gel or the bar soap, either of them you want to use, but make sure that you combine a whitening shower gel with a moisturizing and hydrating bar soap, and make sure you combine a whitening bar soap with a moisturizing and hydrating shower gel. Okay, yes, so you just apply it with your hands, you understand. So for the second method, which is the wash off method, I call it the wash off method, please. That is my own English for that method. The wash off method, you use your sponge, you pour it on your body, pour it on your sponge, you apply your shower gel on your, that's your whitening shower gel or your whitening bar soap on your sponge. You use it and bathe. You will bathe, oh, you will bathe for like 3 to 5 minutes. You will just use sponge and be going around your body and bathing with that whitening product. You will bathe round your body, you use it round your body, you bathe very well for 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, after you know that you've really touched everywhere, don't rinse it off. Oh, don't rinse it off as you're bathing. Make sure that you complete that 3 to 5 minutes of bathing with it, with your sponge, please. This time around is not your hand. You will bathe like you normally bathe, but 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, you wash it off, and then you still use your sponge to use either your moisturizing and hydrating bar soap, or you use your moisturizing or hydrating shower gel to bathe again. Still in the same routine, you just bathe again. You shouldn't, maybe the second time you bathe, don't bathe for long, but the first time, make sure that at least you spend 3 to 5 minutes on your body for the whitening product. So it's either you use a whitening shower gel or a whitening bar soap. Like I mentioned, you could get either the Cyprus Gold shower gel, you could get K Brother shower gel, or you could get glutathione compound shower gel. Those are for the shower gels. And for the bar soaps, you can get nano bar soap or nano vitamin C bar soap, skin white bar soap, and or kojic white bar soap. Either of them will work perfectly. Note that this routine is from your neck downwards. Yes, from your neck to your feet. So then for your moisturizing or hydrating bar soap or shower gel, you can stick to the Dove does a good job. You don't need anything that promises any whitening, brightening. No, just stick to something mild and calm. If you have baby shower gel sef, you can use baby shower gel, because baby shower gels can be very, very moisturizing and hydrating too. So you can use it and it will be very okay on your skin. So I hope this helps, and I hope you incorporate this into your routine. And like I said, you don't need a lotion to whiten. You can proceed to rubbing whatever you want to use on your skin, you understand. But in this routine, you know that you just want to do it safely and mildly. You can just stick to using soap to get the job done. Okay, so let me know if you have tried this method and if it has worked for you, and if you will continue with it. Just let me know. Comment down below. Your comments mean a lot to me. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.